In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix overlays not showing in OBS Studio step by step. This is a super common problem, whether you're streaming on Twitch, YouTube, or recording videos, and the good news is that it's usually very easy to fix once you know where to look. We'll go through all the main reasons overlays disappear, including source visibility, layer order, browser source settings, cache issues, and file path problems. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS and streaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you want to check is source visibility. In OBS Studio, look at the sources dock for your current scene. Every source has a little eye icon next to it. If that eye icon is turned off, the source will not appear on your stream or recording at all. Make sure the eye icon next to your overlay source is toggled on. This might sound obvious, but it's one of the most common reasons overlays don't show up, especially if you've been switching scenes or copying sources around. Next, let's fix the layer order. OBS works like a stack of layers, similar to Photoshop. Sources at the top of the list appear in front of sources below them. If your overlay is underneath your game capture or display capture, it will be hidden. To fix this, simply click and drag your overlay source to the top of the sources list. As soon as you move it above your game or screen capture, it should instantly appear. Always remember, overlays should almost always be at the top of the source list. Now, if you're using a browser-based overlay from Streamlabs, streamelements, or a similar service, there's an important setting you need to enable. Go to Settings in OBS, then click on Advanced. Scroll down until you see the Sources section. Here, make sure Enable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration is checked. This setting allows browser overlays to render correctly using your system's hardware. After enabling it, completely restart OBS Studio. This step is very important because the change won't apply properly until OBS is restarted. Once OBS is back open, check your scene again and see if the overlay is now visible. Another fix that works surprisingly often is refreshing the browser cache. If your overlay is a browser source, double-click the overlay source in the sources list to open its properties. Scroll down until you see the option that says Refresh Cache of Current Page, then click it. This forces OBS to reload the overlay from scratch, which can fix broken or stuck overlays, especially after stream alerts or design changes. Finally, let's check file paths for local overlays. If your overlay is a PNG image, a video file, or any local media source, it's possible OBS can't find the file anymore. This usually happens if you move the file to another folder or renamed it. Double-click the source, look at the file path, and make sure it's still valid. If not, click Browse and reselect the correct file from your computer. Once relinked, the overlay should immediately reappear. And that's it. By checking source visibility, fixing layer order, enabling hardware acceleration, refreshing browser cache, and verifying file paths, you can fix almost all overlay issues in OBS Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy OBS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.